Hi, my name is David. Welcome to my online training, Web Hacking Secrets, How to Hack Legally and Earn Thousands of Dollars at HackerOne. HackerOne is your big opportunity. This is the platform where you can hack legally and at the same time you can make money. You can hack many different companies like Twitter, Yahoo, Uber, Coinbase, and a lot more. And you can get paid for your findings. For example, $100, $1,000, or even $10,000 per one bug. It's just amazing. All you need is internet connection and knowledge. Yes, you need knowledge to go from zero to thousands of dollars at HackerOne. And in this online training, I'm going to share my knowledge with you. I am one of the top hackers at HackerOne, and I know quite a lot about hacking and making money that way. In this online training, I will present many award-winning bugs. The more you play with award-winning bugs, the more knowledge you get, and the more knowledge you have, the more money you can make. I will also discuss a successful bug hunting strategy that I have been using in the recent years. What's more, I will present a lot of demos because I want you to see how all these things work in practice. Now, let me tell you more about the content of this online training. This online training is composed of 6 different courses. In the first course, I will discuss the 5 bugs that I recommend you to start with, and I will introduce you to the strategy that I have been using successfully for a long time. In the second course, you will master the strategy and you will play with the next 5 bugs. In the third course, I will demonstrate award-winning XSS attacks. It turns out that you can get a 4-digit reward per single XSS, but to make it happen, you need to learn about non-standard XSS attacks, and this is exactly what I will present to you. Next, in course number 4, I will demonstrate more award-winning XSS attacks, because I want you to become a professional XSS hunter, earning more and more money. In course number 5, I will present fuzzing, which is one of the most powerful vulnerability detection techniques. And I will show you how you can use this technique to double your web hacking rewards. And finally, I will tell you how to make big money with RCE, which stands for Remote Code Execution. This is the most dangerous attack, and companies are willing to give you a 5-digit reward per single RCE, which is just awesome. What you need to make this amount of money is knowledge about non-standard RCE attacks, and this is what I will present to you in course number 6. You can really go from zero to thousands of dollars at HackerOne. As one of the top hackers at HackerOne, I know very well how it works, and I want to share my knowledge with you. I want you to become the next successful web hacker, and that's the reason why I created Web Hacking Secrets, How to Hack Legally and Earn Thousands of Dollars at HackerOne. Thanks for your time, take care, and have a good day.